Hello students, I am Zahra Fatima. Welcome back to our channel. Students, this video is for Osmania University BBA Semester 2 students, and in this video I am sharing with you the subject Business Statistics Theory 100% pass important questions for the upcoming examination June 2025. So students, watch the video with full concentration and don't skip the video in between. If you skip the video, you will not get the idea which questions are important for your examination. Now first, syllabus consists of 5 units. Unit 1 is Introduction to Statistics. Unit 2 is Measures of Central Tendency. Unit 3 is Measures of Dispersion. Unit 4 is Skewness and Kurtosis. Unit 5 is Correlation and Regression. Now Unit 1, Introduction to Statistics. First, short questions. Short questions, under that first one is Define Statistics, 100% important. Scope of statistics, this question is also 100% important. What are the limitations of statistics? This question is also very important. First, second, third question are 100% important. Primary versus secondary data, important question. Graphical presentation, 100% important. False baseline, very important. Histogram, bar diagram, very important. Now unit 1, long questions. Under that first is Define Statistics, explain its nature, scope, characteristics, advantages and limitation. Very important, 100% important question. Define statistics in singular and plural sense, very important. What is data? Explain the needs for data, types of data. Also explain the differences between primary and secondary data, 100% important question. What are diagrams? Explain the rules for constructing. Also discuss is advantages and disadvantage of diagrammatic presentation of data, very important. So under long questions, I am sharing with you only 4 questions. So these 4 are very important. Now unit 2, Measures of Central Tendency. First, short questions. First one, Requisites of Measures of Central Tendency, very important. Class intervals, this is also very important. What are the advantages of mean? 100% important. Geometric and harmonic mean, very important. Percentile and decile, important question. Now unit 2, long questions. First is, what is Measures of Central Tendency? Explain its merits and demerits, 100% important question. What is arithmetic mean? State its merits and limitation, very important. Students, in unit 2 you will get problems, but if he asks the theory, then definitely from these 2 questions you will get the theory questions in the examination. Now unit 3, Measures of Dispersion, short questions. What is measures of dispersion? Second, what is range? What is standard deviation? Fourth, what is mean deviation? Fifth, what is variance? So these are the important questions. From these 5 questions, first question is very important, and the second is also very important. Fifth is also very important. What is variance? Students, very soon I am going to upload the other subject important questions also, so stay connected with us. Now unit 3, long questions. What is measures of dispersion? Explain its significance, characteristics and objectives, very important. Define range, states its merits and demerits, very important. Students, in this video only I am sharing with you the theory questions of the subject business statistics, not the practical questions. So in this video only theory questions I am sharing with you. Now unit 4, Skewness and Kurtosis. First, short questions. What is skewness? What is kurtosis? Very important. These 2 questions are 100% important. Difference between dispersion and skewness, this is also 100% important question. What are the different kinds of kurtosis? Mention the characteristics of skewness. Fifth is also very important. Mention the characteristics of skewness. So these 5 questions are important for Unit 4 as short questions for theory. So students, start your preparation from these questions, because whatever questions I am sharing in this video, that questions are 100% important for your upcoming examination. Now Unit 4 long questions. Define skewness. Explain in detail about positive and negative skewed distribution. 100% important question. Explain the advantages, disadvantages, characteristics and different types of skewness. This is also 100% important theory question. Third, what is kurtosis? Give different formulas for measuring kurtosis. 100% important questions. So these three questions are very important as theory questions for Unit 4, skewness and kurtosis. Students, very soon I am going to upload the other subjects important questions like financial accounting and organizational behavior. So stay connected with us and inform your friends about the upcoming videos also. And stay connected with us. And if you are new to my channel, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel. And Unit 5 is correlation and regression. First, short questions. Define correlation. State the applications of correlation. 100% important questions. Types of correlation. Scatter diagram. 100% important. Define regression analysis. This is also 100% important. State the differences between correlation and regression. 100% important question. What is rank correlation? So first question is very important, third is also very important, and fifth is also very important. State the differences between correlation and regression. This question is important not only for short, this question is important for long also. Now Unit 5, correlation and regression, long questions. First is define correlation. States its application, advantages, disadvantages. Also explain the differences between correlation and regression. 100% theory important question. Then second question, what is correlation? Explain the significance of positive and negative correlation. This question is also very important. And second question, explain the significance for positive and negative correlation. This question is important for short bit also. Third, what is regression analysis? Explain the regression variables and types of regression. 100% important question. So students, like and share this video with all your friends. And if you are new to my channel, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that future notifications related to my future videos will come to you directly. Thanks for watching the video.